I am so glad that I actually walked over here to peek at these. See if I can get them to come up. There they go. Oh, look at them. Believe it or not, that is the biggest ones of these that I've ever seen. I see them just like this, but they're usually way smaller. Yeah. Really close up. I'm going to try to get a close up for it. Oh yeah, look at that. That is really, really pretty. Right there, cool. Look at that. See, this is more of the size that I'm used to seeing. Those little mushrooms. See if I can get you zoomed in on it. Give you an idea of their size. There's my thumb. You see, I see these growing on dead, still attached branches on trees. So the tree looks like it's just covered in these little white balls. They're really, really pretty. See how that chanterelle is there.